Lenape High School recently hosted its 6th annual Wellness Day. From mental health to physical fitness, the event is a school-wide reminder to check in on yourself and those around you. This year, the Heads Up, Eyes Forward program joined the lineup, bringing a crucial message about staying alert and responsible behind the wheel.
So at our table for Wellness Day, we offered a variety of activities for students to engage with. That included a safe driving pledge we wanted all the students to stop by to sign. We also had a step-by-step how-to process on how to put your phone into Do Not Disturb while you're driving, which included a lot of screenshots. We also had a safe driving trivia wheel so everybody could test their safe driving knowledge, as well as our ruler drop game that we called the distraction and reaction test.
Miss Wolf is a school counselor and helps to organize Wellness Day. She believes that Heads Up, Eyes Forward fits perfectly with the goals of Wellness Day.
It's so important to have the Heads Up, Eyes Forward program here at Wellness Day because we are working with teenagers and new drivers, and safety and awareness is so important.
For Lenape students, the message isn't just a one-time lesson. It's a daily commitment to their community.
The ruler drop game was the most impactful for most students. I think it was easy for them to just get on board and try that game. And while doing it, it was really fun, but you also got a good message out of it.
I think students are distracted by their music, and that's distracting. If you're taking your eyes off the road for a second, anything could happen.
I learned the difficulty of multitasking and that while driving, I should only focus on driving.
Once there's a distraction, it's hard to react fast.
Whether it's supporting a friend or driving safely, Wellness Day proves that health is a team effort.
I think it's really important that we have a table at Wellness Day as Heads Up, Eyes Forward, because it kind of puts a face to the program. Then people start talking about it, we build engagement, and then we show that safe driving is important for all ages, and it's a community that we want to build.